Yo, what's up, guys? Rohan with you, and I wanted to make this video today to explain to you the important tip on how to get targeted traffic. Okay, highly targeted traffic. That way, you end up getting more conversions, and you end up wasting less money on clicks that may or may not be related to your offer. Okay, so I've put I've put my video up here so that I hide my affiliate manager's details. I don't want to show that. So for this example in Max Bounty, okay, I'll look at this offer, which is Fender Play Guitar Learning US. Okay, and you can see in the description over here, basically this is learn how to play guitar or the ukulele online. Okay, so you take that one keyword. Okay, so the longer the keyword, the better. Okay, long tail keywords, better targeting, less money as well. And I'll show you the trick that you need to use in order to get highly targeted searches for your ad to show up, right? So we know what I would suggest is looking at the offer description and looking at the landing page as well. Okay, so this landing page over here, you can scroll down, right click and view the landing page and look for keywords on the website as well. But the main thing we know is that it's about learning how to play guitar online, right? Do check out the restrictions that you have when you have a search campaign, right? So it allows Bing, Google, and Yahoo, but check out the keyword restrictions, because some offers will allow brand bidding, some will not allow brand bidding. So look for offers that allow brand bidding. That way, if a person is searching for the brand, they directly get your offer, and that's that is targeted, right? So that will be better. But sometimes you have no brand bidding, so you can't put any brands in there. Okay, so let's do the Bing search, okay, and see. You can see how I do it. Okay, so this is now Bing. Okay, I'll move the window over now. All right, and what you're going to put here is learn how to play guitar online or learn guitar online. These are the two keywords, right? And you can see from the offer that it's only for US. So in your advanced targeting options for the search, you'll have English, United States, desktop and laptop. That's fine. So click search. Okay. Now over here you can use the Google keyword research tool as well, but I don't. Actually, I try to stick to Bing only because it gives me the Bing insights. Okay. And that's more than enough, because these kind of offers are very specific. If you're looking for general offers like make money online or surveys, you can add as many keywords as you want. In that case, you can use Google Adwords. Okay. But for this case, Bing is enough. All right. Now you can see the results over here. Okay. So now what I would do here is just notice it. Okay, you can see learn how to play guitar online 93 searches, learn guitar online 56. Now what you need to know here is that learn guitar online, these three words, you want them to you want your ad to show up for any search that has these three words. Okay, so now that you know that, how do you control that? Right, you can control that by keywords, right? So what you do is select all of these, click export. Okay, so you download it, open it in your Excel so that you can edit it. Okay, and I'll show you now what this is exactly what I do to set up my the keywords in my campaign, because this honestly is the main thing. This will control your conversions and your cost. So this is the keywords, right? So first what you do is put a filter. Okay, now the longer the keywords, the better. So learn play guitar, learn guitar, these are not targeted enough, because you want the people to search for the word online as well. So what I would suggest is anything that doesn't say online, take it off. Okay, this doesn't say online. Okay, delete. Online guitar lessons, learning guitar, delete. Okay, so anything that doesn't say online, remove it. Also, your offer is a paid offer. So anything that says learn to play guitar online free, remove it, because you don't want people coming there expecting something to be free, and then if it's paid, what they'll do, they'll click your ad, you'll end up paying for the click, they'll come to your website, see that it's not free, and they'll go. So honestly, leave it. If it says free, don't show your ad. Okay, so you keep doing this procedure. Electric guitar, no, I think that was an acoustic guitar, so remove electric. Free learn, no free. Online learning play guitar, that's fine. Learn guitar online, that's fine. Online learn guitar, guitar learning play. Okay, so this manual work you will definitely have to do. Okay, guitar learn online play. I think so, that looks good. Okay, so honestly, what I would suggest here is don't pay attention to the statistics that much. I mean, you got to do a little bit, because see, you have some keywords here that are getting some searches, which means, you know, people are searching for this on Bing. Now these keywords, even though they are not getting any searches, it's fine, don't worry about it, but the more you keep, the better. But just don't keep any keywords. Keep the keywords that are relevant, which is learn guitar online. These three keywords have to be there. Okay, so you can see now that all our keywords have learn, guitar and online pretty much in all of them, right? So here's the trick now. Pay attention to this. What you do is you copy this. Okay, you go onto Google and search for this broad match keyword tool. Now this first thing, tool.acquisio, you need this. Okay, what you do over here is you paste it, select all words and do generate modified broad match. This is now your list of keywords that you will copy into your Bing campaign. Okay, so what this does is now you can see it has the plus signs in front of each and every keyword, which means your ad will only show up if, you know, the person searching your search term has each of these keywords. Which means now two things will happen. One is you will not get as many impressions. That is a good thing, because whatever impressions you get, it will be for impressions for people who have all these search terms in their search. Okay, that way you know that this is highly targeted, which is what you want, right? And the second thing is your conversions will definitely increase, because you're now attracting people to click your ad that has your specific search terms in the keywords, right? So exactly what your offer is guitar lessons online, and all your keywords have learning guitar online as, you know, the search terms. So this is the trick, okay, to getting high conversions and commissions, earning commissions and max bounty. So do this for every campaign. Okay, if it's honestly, you can do this for make money online and survey campaigns also, because when you have an exact matching keyword, your CPC goes down and your quality scores go up, which is, you know, the goal that you're looking for. If you get 5 clicks a day, it's okay. You know, don't think that I want to generate more clicks so I can have better conversions. No, that's not the goal. You know, again, two things. One is that because if you don't put the plus signs, your ads will show up for, you know, search terms that have at least one or something similar. So if a person says something like, you know, learn guitar in my local area, so he's looking for something, so for physical lessons, your ad will still show up. He'll click, he'll find it's online and he'll move out. So that's where you end up wasting money and getting less conversions and clicks. Okay, and the second thing is, the more time your ad runs, okay, the Bing algorithm will pick up the highly targeted keywords and it will drive your CPC down over time. Okay, so that is one thing that you need to keep in mind. Okay, so that's all actually what I wanted to tell you. Use this trick in pretty much all of your campaigns. The goal will be to set up like 10 campaigns with highly targeted keywords. That way, even if you're spending $20, you know, to get like 40 or 50 clicks throughout all those 10 campaigns, at least you will know that those 40-50 clicks are highly targeted, right? So even in those 10 campaigns, even if you get one conversion, you're making profit, because obviously, you know, you would promote offers between 20, 30, 40, $50, something like that. So that's the method I use. That's why I'm able to make profit online, and I suggest you do exactly the same. Okay, I hope you've understood this concept. If not, I'm going to leave my contact details at the bottom. You can contact me through Facebook. That's the best way. And if you have any questions, I'm willing to help you out. All right. So see you guys.